Welcome to the world of InextLogistics. Are you an international trader looking for reliable shipping solutions? Look no further because InextLogistics has got you covered. We're not just another logistics company. We specialize in making your global trade seamless and efficient. With a presence in major international markets, we ensure your goods reach their destination on time, every time. So, what makes InextLogistics stand out? First off, we offer a range of services tailored to your needs. Whether it's air freight, ocean freight, or ground transportation, we've got the expertise to handle it all. Our advanced tracking systems keep you informed every step of the way, so you'll never have to wonder where your shipment is. Navigating international trade regulations can be a nightmare. But with InextLogistics, you don't have to worry. Our team of experts stays up to date with the latest import and export regulations, ensuring a hassle-free experience. And let's talk about our commitment to sustainability. We're dedicated to reducing our carbon footprint by utilizing eco-friendly packaging and optimizing our routes for maximum efficiency. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. Our 24/7 customer support means you're never alone. Got a question or a problem? We're always here to help. So why choose InextLogistics? Because we're more than just a logistics company. We're your partner in international trade. Visit our website today to learn more and get started on your seamless shipping experience. Thank you for choosing InextLogistics.